Nah, I never had somebody like a different race call me the N-word to my face.
Never?
Never. I think I'm like one of the...
You ready?
Well, no, wait, whoa. What?
Imagine if I actually do that.
Valentina!
Ay, qué pena con ustedes.
Ay.
Venga.
What the fuck is this? See, I know this is AI because I'm wearing a t-shirt.
Dr. David Banner, physician, scientist, searching for a way to tap into the hidden strengths that all humans have. Then an accidental overdose of gamma...
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Bro, come on.
Oh, look at Alfred over here. He doesn't suspect a thing. Target locked.
Wait. Oh my God. Oh, hell no. Oh my God, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
But what the hell, boy?
He needs some milk.
Shakira, Shakira.
Hey guys, you wanna go scaring? You wanna go scaring?
When you die, if you get cremated, your family could put your ashes in an hourglass, and you could still participate in family game night.
Fuck your ear roll, nigga.
Bro, why the fuck you
Fuck your ear roll, nigga.
She was a fairy.
Even the babies are one of the most dangerous animals in the world, so I built this cage to keep them secure so there's no possible... Oh my god.
Story reflected their mindset last year. They're going to play the long game.
Yeah.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck?
Palmo. Here we go. Alright, place it frame. Fucking hell, Ray! Oh, wait, the Epstein files. Thanks, Santa. I can't wait to read all this. T-R-U-M-P!
Damn, girl.
It's a beautiful day, isn't it?
It is. It's a beautiful.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
What?